What's going on YouTube? Today we're here to have some fun. We're going to look at the iPad mini 6th gen and we're looking at the Galaxy Z Fold 3. We're going to load up Genshin Impact and see which one's better. So I've been just kind of wanting to have some fun and just do some game comparisons on here. I'm going to start with Genshin Impact for this review. Now this iPad mini is rocking the A15 Bionic processor. It is a 64-bit architecture, 2 times 2.93 and a 4 times 1.82 hertz. They call it Avalanche and Blizzard mixed together. And then on the Z Fold 3, everyone knows we're running that Snapdragon 888 processor, and that processor is pretty strong too, 284 gigahertz. Also has the 242 tri-core and a quad-core, so it is super fast too. It's actually an 8-core processor. So I just want to show you all some video on here. The iPad mini does look really good. The way the display of the YouTube video looks. I do like some of the icons on the bottom. It was kind of uncomfortable to hit the buttons. Not quite used to holding a tablet this way and having the controls laid out like that versus the Galaxy Z Fold, where you can actually reach the center bottom down there with your two hands. So, but I do also like the web page layout on the full web page of the Reviews Unlimited there. They have everything on the left there. You have your bar on the top, which is really nice. So they're both really good. It's just a give and take on what you may or may not prefer. Either way, I love both of them. They look really good. They got good colors. The Galaxy Z Fold 3, as you can see, just about covers up the iPad mini, even though it is longer. But, you know, screen size and real estate, it really does cover a lot. And I was actually really surprised about that. You know, for the compact device of the Z Fold 3, I would have thought, you know, the iPad mini would just overtake it, but when you hold it up like this, it really doesn't. As you can see, you know, it's a good fit there. So with this review here, I just kind of want to show the thickness of there. I'm gonna have to close this. I'm rocking this Neo speaking case here. I know everyone's probably still talking about. And this is a little bit of the jelly roll. This is 60 hertz. I'm not going to do a big thing about it, but I just want to show that, you know, because it's almost funny. I haven't had a device do something this crazy in a while, and I don't see Apple fixing it anytime soon. So see you wiggle and see you jiggle. But all right, well, I just want to show you a little bit of that, but I'm going to do another little video about that. So, well, I want to get into this test, so I'm going to load up each of these games. We're going to time from the time I hit start and watch it load in. We'll see how long it takes it to load in. The results are kind of shocking. It's kind of really not fair for one device over the other. So y'all start thinking about which device it's not going to be fair for. I could tell you right now. Sorry, I had to log in, so I had to stop that. You know, it kind of isn't fair, but, you know, I'd think about in your head which one's going to be better. And here we go. And well, I had to work last night, guys, so after I got off of work in 12 hours, I decided to come home, and I said, well, I'm going to do this comparison video for y'all real quick. And what is going on here? Did it lock up? I hope not. Nope, it didn't lock up. What's going on? Let's see. Oh, there we go. 3724. And look at it. It does look really nice. There's a little frame stutter in here when I'm checking it out. Colors do look really nice. I do like that. And it's kind of seems a little awkward with holding it this way, because I'm not really sure my thumbs could reach the center of the screen, but I do like the way this feels. I could see gaming on this, you know, if anyone's really interested in it. I just want to show like what it looks like gaming and how does it feel, and y'all can see it's looking pretty good. Not seeing too much frame dropping, a little bit of A little bit of lag here and there, but overall it does look pretty good. Let me switch here and get some spin action going. A little bit. It still feels good, just like I can tell the animations in between there. Well, let's rock the Z Fold 3 and let's see what happens here. I gotta get logged in. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna turn my brightness up a little bit. It's a little dark. I like it nice and bright. And here we go. We're gonna get logged in, get fired up, and 37:24 is the time to beat. It's not looking good, folks. Let's go. Well, this should be interesting. How y'all doing? I'm super excited. I like doing tests like this. I've enjoyed seeing benchmarks like this, and I like doing the real world benchmark, so I think this is a pretty fun thing to do. Man, we're at 21, 23, 24, 25. Oh my gosh, guys. 25:18. And look at this picture. It does look really good. Now, I'm not getting the same frame rate shutter as I was on the Mini. And for me, I really do like, yeah, see how smooth that does look. I do like the ability to connect my thumbs together, reach across the screen. So I do have just a little bit when I was loading that animation there. But overall, I think both these devices are doing really good. I am shocked about the time difference between that 37:24, 25:18. That is a drastic, in computer terms, that's a lot of time. That's unbelievable. So I know why it's like this, but I'd like to hear comments from everyone else. Why is the Z Fold 3 so much faster than Apple's A15 Bionic processor? It's going to be very interesting. I'd like to see all your comments in the chat about it. It'd be a good discussion to have, and I'd like to see everyone's opinions about it. But they both do look really good. These are really good, strong devices for gaming. I'm not really biased to one or the other. I love my Fold 3, and if I had a choice, I'd play it on my Fold 3 because the way it fits in my hand much better. But also, I could see, if I didn't have a phone with me and I just had a tablet, I would love to play on the iPad mini too. Now, the iPad mini is a much more affordable, but it's not a phone, and it doesn't fold, and it doesn't have dual screens, and it doesn't do a lot of things, but it is an Apple iPad, and it is a mini, so that is really good. Well, I am really stoked about that. I did not, honestly, when I performed this test, I expected this new processor from Apple just to blow it out of the water, and it did not happen that way. And I don't know if I can try to optimize the iPad a little bit, but I suspect I wouldn't be able to. This is pretty much a clean install. Just installed a few little games on here, a few little things to run some tests, but it is a clean, fresh install. If anything, I need to clean out my phone. I didn't even do a cleanup test before I ran that. So I really do enjoy making these videos for you guys. I really appreciate everyone's watching and subscribing and commenting. I really do love talking to y'all about these videos. It's been a lot of fun. Now, I was super surprised how quickly the Apple did not boot up. Now, I've tried some other games and it does have some of the issues. Like I said, I would like to talk to y'all about some of that. So if y'all can just reach out and leave some comments about this. I had a lot of fun making this, and I really do hope y'all enjoy this content. And I got more cases coming. I'm just waiting for them to get here, and I work a full-time job also, so it takes me a little bit of time to get these things going. I will definitely have more videos for y'all. But this has been my iPad mini 6th generation video comparison here on Genshin Impact. I really do hope y'all enjoy it. I do love both these devices. They're really good. Now, if I was to game on one, I'm definitely going to choose the Fold 3. Now, if there was if I didn't have the Fold 3, I would definitely love gaming on the iPad mini. It's bright, it's vibrant, It is quite a bit slower, but if you're just gaming and you don't have nothing to compare it to, you'll be super happy with it. But that's been my review of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Mini. And I really do appreciate y'all watching and subscribing and liking. We will see you next time. Thank you.